Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th. Okay na, so this is our class 10th maths. Okay, this is our mathematics and exercise 4.2, and this video is especially for the Telangana State Board. Okay, and this is our chapter 4. This is our chapter 4, and the chapter name is pair of linear equation in two variables, and this is our exercise 4.2. and in this video we are going to see the questions and answer. Okay, we can say the solutions also. Okay, right? So if it is clear for you, then let's see this one. Okay, so when you open your textbook, then you will get first exercise 4.2, and then after you will see a question. Okay na, in heading there is a form of a pair of linear, but the first question is that the rational income of a two-person is 9.7, and the rational there expenditure is 4:3. If each of them is manages of to save itna per month, then find the monthly income. Okay, we have to find this one. Okay, right? So as you can see your question, right? So here it is your answer, right? So let's see this here. Okay, so don't keep any kinds of doubt regarding to this one and something else from here. It is a right or wrong or something else from here, because lots of the student they confuse in this one only. Okay, so that's why I am telling you to don't be confused. Okay, right? So if it is clear for you, then you can see the second question. So this is our second question. The sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained reversing the digit is 66. If the digit of one number is divided by 2, find the number and how many such numbers are there. Okay, this is our second question. So let's see the solution of this one. Okay, so if you come here, then you can see the answer here. Let the digit in the unit place be x and the digit of the 10th place by the y, then the number of xy plus x. Okay, and this is the some process is given. Okay, then if it is clear, then see this one. Okay, right? Okay, so till here you can see. All right, so if it is clear for you, then just come and see the second question. So the second question is telling that the large of two supplementary angles extends the similar by the 180. Find the angle. We have to find the angle. You can read the second question, the large of two. Okay, and this is our answer. Okay, as you can see, right? Okay, so if it is clear, then just see the question number here. So that's your question number 4. The taxi charges in the Hyderabad are fixed along with the charge for the distance covered for a distance 10 km. The charge paid did 220, and the journey of 3 km you have to pay 310. Okay, and this is what are the fixed charge of the charges and charge per kilometers, and this is here. Okay, how much does a person have paid to traveling in the distance 25 kilometers. Okay, so this is the first answer of these questions. Okay, and then you can see the next one. Okay, so if you have any kinds of doubt regarding with this one, then you just tell to me. Okay, so if it is clear till here, it is clear, then just see the next one here. Okay, and here you can see the question number 5 also. A fraction become equal to 4/5. This is a 4/5. Okay, now we can write this one like that also. Okay, which is written here if one added in both of the numbers. Okay, so actually this question also is given. This is given in your textbook, same like this one. Okay, this 1/2 means that's one. Okay, now don't be confused, we can write like that also. Okay, now right? So if it is clear, then see the answer here. Okay, right? So you can go through this one. Alright, so whatever in this one, I hope everything is clear. Then you can see that according to the second condition, using the elimination method, multiply equations. Okay, and then here subtracting the value of y equals to 9 in equations 1. Okay, well, so if it is clear, then you can see the question number 6. Okay, so the question number 6 is a place AB are the 100 kilometers apart from the highway, one car stay in A and another from B, the same times the different speed is the car travel in the same direction, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each of the other, then meet in 1 hours, what is the speed of the two cars? Okay, we have to find the speed of a car. The formula of a speed is equals to distance upon time. A is equals to d by t. This is the formula. Actually, A is equals to d by t. This is the formula. Okay, remember this one, don't be confused, right? So let's see the answer here. Then here you can see. Okay, right, so I hope it is clear. Then next you can see this one. Okay, and here you can see the question number 7. So the question number 7 is that two angles are the complementary, the large angle is 3 less than the twist the measure of the small angle, find the measure of each angle. So that's your answer here. Okay, let us do large of the two supplementary angle y and the smaller angle will be x. Okay, and then after here you can see. Okay, right, so if it is clear, then you can see the 8th question. Okay, so here you can see the question number 8, and Algebra textbook has the total 1382 pages. It's broke up into 2 parts. The second part is the book of 64 pages more than the first part. How many pages there in the left in textbook? Okay, we have to find that. So this is the answer of this one. Okay, this is a very simple questions. Okay, we can actually when I was in student, so I learned this in the 6th class only. That time I was in the Magad Academy, so that's why, right? So here you can see. Okay, so I hope it is clear for you, and then here you can go. Okay, and right now we can see the question number 9. Okay, in your textbook it is same. A chemist has 2 solutions of hydrochloric acid in stock. One is 50% solution and the other is 80% solutions, and how much each should be used in the obtained 100 ml of 68 solutions. Okay, this is a very interesting question actually. You know, this question lots of the students who are in high class or lower class, they also confuse in this question. Okay, now this is a very important questions. Okay, now if you ask someone, if you're in your home, if you have an elder brother or elder sister who are passed out already 10th or 12th, then you can ask this question. Definitely they will confuse. They will not tell you to answer of this question. Okay, they will confuse. Okay, so you can see, right? So you can see this answer. Okay, now right here you can see. I hope it is clear for you. Well, so next we can go here. Okay, and this is our 10th question, which is our last question in exercise 4.2. Suppose you have 12,000 to save. You have a saved some amount of 10% and the rest is 15%. How much should you save? Each rated in 12% of the total saved. Okay, so this is also interesting question than previous one. Okay, and here you can see the solution, right? Okay, so well, actually this exercise, okay, so our exercise, this exercise 4.2 is totally completed here only. Okay, whatever in this exercise, everything is completed. I hope you will understand this one, and we will meet another video. Jai Hind, keep learning.